You can leave it around your neck if you want.
Yeah,
That way people see that you have it.
that's okay. Yeah, my name is David Morse, and my wife and I live in Western Davis in Village Homes. And you're looking at my two-story house and the 17 panels, which are rather dirty today because of the fires in our area. 17 panels, they're 250 watts each for a total of 4,250 watts. This system was installed 7 years ago, and it's been very productive. We've had about 48,000 kilowatt hours generated in the last 7 years, and were we to pay for that at PG&E, that's equivalent to $15,000 to $20,000 that we would have be paying today to generate that much electricity. Our bills normally every year we end up having we have a little more credit than what PG&E charges, although there is a monthly charge now for just a meter charge that is exempt from what is called net metering. So we're very happy with the system, and I can always monitor the system on my smartphone. I just sign up into the software there, and I can see what the production is right now. I can see what it's been for the last week or last month or last year. Make sure all the panels are working, and they all are working fine. This is a graph for the last 7 days showing the energy, and you notice over here a high peak, which was when it was clear, and the fact that we have these cloudy conditions, the production is down about 25% to 30%. And then you can see this is today, this lower point here, which will probably go up to where it was yesterday once we get further into the day. Just like I could have gone back to 2013, but it shows production by month, and this is just one of the many reports you could generate with the software. One other thing I'll point out is this system is a little different than maybe other systems you see. The microinverter that converts from DC to AC is not at ground level next to the electric panel. The rather individual microinverters up under the panels. So we have 17 microinverters underneath the panel that converts the from DC to AC.
Why did you choose to get into solar in the first place?
Well, I've always been interested in solar, and I used to work for the Public Utilities Commission and did a lot of work on encouraging rate mechanisms that would encourage solar, and I was interested in the environmental benefits. I was interested in making a contribution to the environment. So, and the economics look like there is a payback. It certainly adds to the value of our house, which we don't have any plans to sell, but if we were to sell, that would be included in the value of our house.
How was your experience with the contractor and having it all put in and the permitting process?
It's really wonderful. We used a local firm, a father and son firm, are very competent. We just recently had them back after 7 years to take the systems down and because we were replacing the roof. We had a tile roof that we wanted to replace with a shingle roof, and so the solar system had to be taken down and then reinstalled. And they confirmed everything was working well, and it's working well again.
Do you have any advice for anyone else who's thinking about going solar?
I'd say if you have the place, a good spot with south-facing exposure, it's a wonderful thing to do, and you can figure out how many panels you want for your objectives. If you're using an electric car or just your appliances, you can get a system designed for your particular use of electricity.
Is there anything that you know now about solar that you wish you'd known about everything before you had started the process?
No, I don't think so. I think that when it was installed, we had We had warranties, and it's a 25-year warranty, and so we're still under warranty. And when I did the calculations of payback, we expected to have a payback well within before 25 years, so thought we were covered.